The thing I would say is like we have put our hard-earned efforts here. For the first thing is that to identify the land for the land filling site. So only thing concerned about our Bhatkal Taluk is only municipality's area is having a single land filling site. Other than that, there is no other area which has been identified. And for the same thing, for the waste segregation, land filling site only for the TMC that exists, which is in that Shimoga Sagar road, and they have agreed upon to the request of the Jali Patan Panchayat, so they have combinedly using that site for dumping the waste or segregation, etc. So, unlike for other places, now we have also got the stipulated timeline for reserving a specific parcel of the land for using for dumping yard purpose or for the landfill site or for any of these purpose through which waste has to be segregated, collected and disposed in a scientific manner. Any of these things which is unconnected, one if it is not addressed, then everything will become a problem. So all these three connected issues, for that we need to first identify the land, then immediately contract will be given from the Panchayat Raj department, then he will be responsible for collection, everything, like the local body which is administratively giving for them. Now we have identified specifically the case in point is Heble Panchayat. Heble Panchayat, there are few pockets where the waste segregation or the collection is not happening timely, and there are some issues within the local body. They'll identify the land. We have been there for, I should not say, for some religious purpose that was said that no, this you cannot use for dumping yard proposal, etc. Now we have said, even CEO madam's in fact that tweet had gone to Commissioner Rural Water Supply and Panchayat Raj Department. So instructions had come, and also our CEO madam visited. We visited together combinedly. Then we told them that if you don't identify the place, because the first thing is that if any land proposal is to be sent, it goes through our village accountant RI, then it comes to Tahsildar, then we'll go for a sheet that boundary fixation, then it comes to me, then DC sir, then we will reserve the land for dump yard or landfill site. Then accordingly it goes, the proposal, reserved proposal will go to the panchayat, local body or municipality, whichever the area, then they will identify the person who will be responsible for that. Now for this process to happen, already we had identified the land, already proposal had gone, even the money was released. At that point in time, they raised the objection. So the objection has to be addressed. They concurrently came with a single voice saying, we don't want that land. Okay, we said, okay, in Panchayat, there should be a resolution passed for that area, then it comes. Now we are halfway through in getting the new land proposed. It is my responsibility within a week, I'll get the DC sir's approval. Now immediately local body, I need a support in garnering to the local body saying that they have to immediately start the work without any objection. Then immediately that Rahmat Nagar, all the issues will be resolved with respect to land filling site. So that halfway through progress is done. By we have already used that carrot and stick approach. If you don't identify the land, in your next financial years, grants will be reduced. So they have identified. So in Panchayat, they've kept the resolution. Now they have identified the land. Everything is ready. We have also sent to DC sir. Within a day or two, I'll be getting the proposal back. I'll call my EO, Executive Officer and Panchayat Development Officer, to ensure this in the Panchayat, whatever the funds are released immediately, that will be put into action. Then that problem will be resolved. So the process involved was very tedious, lengthy, and middlemen, etc. I don't want to narrate. So the department's name was getting spoiled. So we have something called affidavit-based conversion now. Like within 30 days, it has to get converted. If delay is happening, it seems to be so that it is deemed to be converted. Meaning it is converted. After 31st day, your land is converted if conversion order is not required by default. So it's a wonderful process. Now I had conducted the meeting. Now we have given a strict instructions at the taluka level to the lower cadre officers. Any affidavit which is raised in the land conversion portal, 15th day it reaches to me 20th day it goes to DC sir. Then by 25th day, all proposal is made ready, and there is some charges which is fixed from the government that you have to pay. Challan will be paid. Then immediately DC conversion order comes. This process has been refined now. Within 30 days, your land will be converted at any cost. So it's a wonderful system. No need to get into these middleman things, nothing. You please tell to the public, land conversion, it will happen. Now recently government gave one instruction saying that less than 5 guntas, we cannot convert.
In addition to this, I respect, with due respect, I need cooperation from your end, particularly this highway. If you are turning to Jali and that Masjid Road, the two area peak time during noon, you can say around 11 to 1, and evening from 5 to 7. The very danger zone, that is red zone, you can say. At least I request to keep one Havaldar over there to control the traffic, and it is very much necessary till this our road get completed, because we feel very much the rush driving also there. Secondly, because of this is a national highway, the fast speed vehicles are there, and trucks are there, buses are there, and our two-wheelers, extra. Yeah, this is, if you keep two sides, one Havaldar to control the traffic on peak time. No, not Telugundi. Okay, police are available there. I am asking about Jali Road corner, and after that there is Masjid, Nawaz Colony Masjid, Anfal opposite. Very danger, red zone. Both are very red zone.
From National Highway you go to downtown.
Prior to any, thanks to God, nothing happened, but that much severe. Small things that's coming, and we are handling it. Even without police also we are handling, and we are compromising. But for God forbidden, if any such issues take place and something happen, then we say, oh, we have not done this thing. So precautionary way, till our road get completed, please make it immediate action on this issue, because we are suffering a lot. Still not resolved.
That rested with 30-meter decision.
30 meters, yes. And service road not yet decided.
No service road.
No service. We are very much glad and thankful to both of you. You have given your precious time, and we salute and we appreciate. And whatever we had discussed, all points, definitely from our end, what we have to be taken action, we are there always at your service. And we are expecting same thing from your end, that whatever the maximum support you are going to give us, because without your support and permission, we can't go ahead. So in that case, definitely all together we can join hands, and we can let us go for our place and our town, our city. It should be very brightening and charming, and people should remember this place forever.
No, I understand the seriousness with the thought and efforts you have put into comments. Share all your what are the hurdles which are there in the city or city's development sake. Definitely, few things I hope I had already solved, but it was not known. 2-3 issues which were discussed. I hope that has already found its solution. But there are few more issues which we have to solve with combined efforts. Yes. Definitely, I would assure it would be possible in our tenure.
आज हम AC साहिबा के साथ DYSP के साथ मुलाकात की गर्ज से वक्त लेते हुए यहाँ पहुँच गए। हम लोग राबिता सोसाइटी की तरफ से कुछ एक इश्यूज़ लेके आए थे, जो कि हमारी कौम के लिए, आवाम के लिए, भटकल के लिए दिक्कतें हैं, उसको सामने रखते हुए वाज़े तौर पर तफसीलन गुफ्तगू हुई। उन्होंने बहुत हमारी बातों को सराहा और हमें पूरा का पूरा ताउन देने का आश्वासन दिया। हम ऐसे कामों की तरफ तवज्जो दे रहे थे जिस पर ख़ास करके हमारे भटकल के आवाम को दिक्कत आ रही थी। वेस्टेज का मामला हो या रजिस्टर जगहों के ताल्लुक़ से जो दिक्कतें आ रही हैं, जो वक्त लग रहा है, उसके ताल्लुक़ से हो। हमें ये बात का पता चला कि रिसेंटली ایک گورنمنٹ نے ایک پالیسی بنائی ہے جس کے تحت رجسٹریشن کا جو معاملہ ہے وہ ابھی لمبا عرصہ 2-3 سال انتظار کرنے کے بجائے ودن اے منتھ ٹائم اس کو حل کیا جائے گا. انہوں نے وعدہ کیا ہے کہ اس پوری باتوں پر توجہ اور دھیان دیا جائے گا. اور ساتھ میں ہم نے UGD کا جو مسئلہ ہے وہ بھی ہم نے وہاں پر باتیں کی. جو فش مارکیٹ کو ٹرانسفر کرنے کا جو سلسلہ ہے وہاں پر بھی بات ہوئی. ہائی وے کے تعلق سے پتہ چلا کہ جو ابھی ہائی وے کمپلیٹ کی آخری دہانے پر ہے، خاص کر کے ہمارا جو علاقہ ہے مین سینٹر میں، تو وہاں پر فلائی اوور آ رہا ہے جو 30 میٹر کے روڈ کے مطابق بننے جا رہا ہے. تو ہر باتوں پر گفتگو رہی، خاص کر کے دھیان کلین بھٹکل پر دیا گیا اور گرینری دینے کے تعلق سے انہوں نے کہا کہ ہمیں مکمل و تعاون دینے تیار ہیں، اور ہم سے تعاون لیتے ہوئے خاص کر کے ہماری مجلس اصلاح و تنظیم جتنے بھی منصوبے لے کر ان کے پاس آ رہی ہے اس کو تقویت دینا ہماری ترجیحات میں سے تھا.